Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga, and today this is kind of like an experimental video. I've never done anything like this before because today we're actually filming in I guess that's, oh my god, I can speak again. So I guess, guys, this is the final result. I hope you really like it. I hope you really enjoyed watching this kind of like short type video. My inspiration, I'm not gonna lie, was Charlie Chaplin. So he actually inspired me. I was kind of like chilling out and watching a lot of different movies, and then I found this kind of like black and white movie. So I actually was staring for about like 20 minutes, and I couldn't stop watching this video. When you have a black and white picture, so you can imagine yourself what was the colors and what was the real kind of like thing back then. I hope you really like this experiment. If you did, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe on my Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Facebook. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.